Hello and welcome to Rob's Rapid EV Charger Reviews. This time, Lake Grace, Western Australia. This one supported by Australian Electric Vehicle Association, 50 kilowatts, CCS, CHAdeMO, the usual things. This one's actually really good. Just ignore the shed smashing itself to pieces over there in the wind. And yes, this wind is really annoying and it's a headwind. So, back to the list. Location. This one's actually really good. Right on the main street of town, lots of amenities and shops and cafes and post office and all that sort of stuff right there. Really good. Main street is literally right there as well, as you can see in the background. Buildings, Command's buildings over there, yeah, really good spot. Food, yes, again, main street right there, cafes, shops. Oh, there's a pub just down the corner there. Apparently it's got really good food, so I've been told by the guy in the caravan park and also some guy in the last town. So when a random stranger comes up to you and recommends a food in the local pub, that's probably a good sign. Access, 24 hours, yes, that is a good thing. Kid friendly, well yeah, there's a little playground barbecue area there on the fake grass, so keep a kid amused. But also, directly behind me here is a railway line and it's unfenced. So if you've got children, be careful, or dogs or anything like that, be careful where they're running around because there's an unfenced active railway line literally 50 metres behind me, or behind you, the camera. Long vehicle towing, yes, believe it or not. There's no reverse into this one. It's basically you park parallel to the gutter and you've got access. So if you're towing a trailer, not a problem. One of the very few we've found you can actually use if you're towing a trailer. So that's good. Phone coverage, none whatsoever. Then again, we are with Optus and we have nothing. The car seems to be working even because it has a Telstra connection. It seems to be working, so I'm assuming if you've got Telstra, good. Optus, no. Ease of finding, yes, can't miss it. We spotted it from half up the town. And also the GPS location brings you right to it, it's spot on. Shelter, well yeah, there's a big undercover barbecue picnic table area just there, probably another 50 metres away. There's also the shelter here from this railway station too, so plenty of there. As for the right here, none. Bins, yes, 2 bins over there, recycling, general rubbish, awesome. And to top it off, toilets. Yes, directly over here in the railway station as well is 24-hour toilets for disabled and everybody. So that is good. So overall, I'll give this station probably a 10 out of 10. It's got everything you need. It's got food, it's got toilets, it's got kids, it's got easy accessibility, easy to find, good spot. So yes, highly rate this one, 10 out of 10 Cybertrucks.